Somebody told me that you are looking for a new home. And I think I found it here. Welcome to this gorgeous townhouse here in the Resort Village, Las Piñas City. It's not just any home. It's an affordable, yet legit elegant vibe that you've been searching for. This townhouse offers a floor area of 175 square meters plus 41 square meter of developed area and a lot area of 125 square meters. Tara, let's explore. Now here is your two-vehicle carport. Plenty of space for your vehicle. Kasyang-kasyang SUV at motorcycle mo. Either way, the parking is never a problem. Look at these front steps. Lakas makasosyal, di ba? Tara, pasok tayo.